Welcome guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your MacBook Pro with your JBL Charge Essential. So at first you have to power on the speaker, so tap on the power button once. Next you have to enable the pairing mode. In the most cases the pairing mode is enabled as default and this power button is blinking, but in my case it's not working, so I have to tap on the Bluetooth button once. As you can see right now it's blinking. So we have to go for the main settings on our MacBook, go for the Bluetooth. You have to enable Bluetooth by tapping right here on this button. And now JBL Charge Essential appears on the list, so we have to select Connect. And right now I can recommend you to go back for the main settings, go for the sound, and switch from MacBook Pro speakers to your JBL Charge Essential. Right now you are able to set the balance. You can also change the output volume, you can mute your speaker, and I can recommend you to switch to see the sound on the menu bar. So let's go for the always. As you can see right now the icon appears right here. So here you can quickly switch from your JBL Charge Essential to any other device, to your AirPods, to your MacBook Pro speakers. As you can see, the blue highlight means that the device is selected. So that's all guys. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.